Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the files where ZArchiver can reach them. Open ZArchiver with storage permission. This allows file access to BGMI folders. Locate the config file you downloaded and confirm its name and extension so you don't overwrite wrong data. Once done, note the target BGMI directory path, usually Android/data or com. Pubg, immobile nested folders, because you will extract or move files there. This prevents permission issues and speeds the next steps. Now you extract with intention. Open the archive in ZArchiver and tap Extract. Select the BGMI target folder you noted before. Choose Preserve Folders so the game sees files in the expected structure. If a prompt asks to overwrite, confirm only when you're sure the config version matches. Once extraction finishes, verify the extracted path and file sizes inside ZArchiver. If you used an intermediate folder, move files into the exact com. Pubg, immobile configuration directory, so BGMI can load them on startup. Finish by launching BGMI so the game reads the new config on startup. Check the settings or any expected changes to controls and graphics. If the game fails to load or behaves oddly, immediately close it and use ZArchiver to restore the backup you made earlier or remove the newly added config file, then relaunch. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a dated backup in a separate folder. This lets you revert quickly if a config causes crashes or undesirable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.